Welcome to Best GIS tutorial. Today topic is about how to create shapefile for line data such as road, river, stream, etc. So open the software. For line data shapefile, first go to catalog and select location for a shapefile where we want to create a shapefile. So click on the folder and go to new and create a shapefile. Here give name to the shapefile and also select the feature type polyline from here and add coordinate system. Now the shapefile is created. You can see from table of content, increase the line width. You can select any line from here. When you digitize a river, then you will select this line. If you digitize the national boundary, then select this one, and so on. Whenever you want to digitize highway, expressway, major roads, then select a line from here. I just show you how to digitize the line map. OK this box. Now go to editor tool and start the editing. Then go to create feature and select the line from here. Then start digitization. Zoom the map. You can see there are a lot of line passes through this region. I will show you how to digitize this line data. Start digitization from that point. Let's suppose I start from this point and digitize this line, this segment up to this region. So follow the path of base map and digitize carefully. Now the digitization work is start. The more you zoom the map, the digitization will be done perfectly. So digitize the map carefully and zoom the map up to some extent that clearly you can see the path of the line. Now it become reached to the end point. So click here. You can see that the digitization is complete. Now I want to digitize this line. So start digitization from that point. This line is also digitized. By this way you can digitize all the line data of the raster map. So when you complete your digitization, then go to editor tool and save your edit and stop the editing. Now you can check from here. When you uncheck the raster map, so we done this digitization of line map. I hope you understand it. So in this tutorial you can see that how to create a shapefile for line data and how to digitize the line map.